Let's face it, cables suck. Headphone cables, charging cables, they're just nasty. They deteriorate over time. You got to make sure you're carrying the right one, and it's just part of the past. That's why wireless is the technology, not of the future, but of the present. Wireless headphones, and more importantly, wireless charging, which I absolutely love because it's so simple and effortless. But one of the things I hate about wireless charging is that a lot of the wireless chargers on the market these days are bulky and aren't necessarily designed with aesthetics in mind. And for something that's going to sit on a table out in the open, that's kind of important. So today we're taking a look at some of the best looking wireless chargers on the market today, coming up. Hey guys, welcome back to That Modern Dude, your home for tech and modern lifestyle videos. And like I said, today we are taking a look at some wireless chargers, some of the best looking ones in my opinion. And this is from a company called SnapWireless. And this company has completely ditched cables altogether for all of their devices and are developing some really nice looking products. Now, full disclosure, they have sent me these products out to do a video on, but the thoughts and opinions are my own, so just some full transparency there. And also stick around to the end of the video where I'll give you some information on a little giveaway where you can win one of these wireless chargers here. So wireless chargers aren't anything new. They've been on the market for quite a while now, but with the new iPhones adopting Qi wireless charging, they've really hit the mainstream and everyone's sort of picking them up. But one of the biggest gripes I've had with wireless chargers is just the way they look. People seem to be designing them so that they look futuristic, they're big, bulky. The one that I've been using for the longest time now, for about a year, is this Samsung fast charging wireless charger, and you can see it is pretty bulky. It's also adaptable, but I've never really used it that way. So SnapWireless develops wireless chargers mainly for the home, but they also have a product that they develop for the car as well, and we're going to take a look at all of them today. So starting with their wireless chargers, they are these simple small pucks, which is great. There's no added bulk to them unnecessarily, and they all are made of really nice materials. SnapWireless have two types of wireless chargers available. You have their Charge Mat and their Snap Base, and essentially they're pretty much the same, just designed a little bit differently. So starting off with the Charge Mat, you have a small hockey puck-like design. It's probably about 3.5 inches in diameter. The bottom has a nice rubber mat to it so that it doesn't slide around on the surface. The rest of it is made out of this really nice soft plastic feel, really premium. Reminds me of the Google Nexus 5, I think it is, if you remember that sort of soft plastic from back in the day. It's really nice to the feel, and you got a little bit of product information. On the top, you have this really nice fabric material, but it's really nice to touch, and you have their little leather insignia in the middle, which is a nice sort of design touch. What's great about these is they do charge via USB-C, and you get that cable in the box, which is really nicely packaged as well. A lot of companies these days aren't adopting USB-C because it seems to be a bit cheaper to use micro USB, and it's really nice to see them use USB-C. Now, you don't get a wall wart in the box, but you know what? If you're charging a phone, one assumes you've already got one. Also, they come in a multitude of colors. I have the light gray option here and the black, and my favorite is this light gray with the nice brown leather insignia in the middle. Like I said, it looks really nice when it's sitting on the desk. Another cool feature is in between the mat and the base is this nice soft LED light, and that is to indicate that the phone is charging. One of the biggest gripes I have about the Samsung charger is it has this flashing LED light that is on all night long. And if you're like me and you need to sleep in complete darkness, it just really ticks me off. The LED light on these is nice and soft, and it only pulses for a few seconds once you've chucked the device on, and then it turns off, and that is absolutely it. Now, the Snap Base is, like I said, designed pretty much the exact same as the mat, except on top, instead of the nice fabric material, you have the same soft plastic as the base, and it feels super nice. It's so soft to the touch. You get everything else is the exact same. Charge via USB-C and the nice LED indicator light as well. Another great thing about these wireless chargers is they do support fast charging, so that is awesome if you have a compatible device. But SnapWireless don't just make wireless chargers for the house, they also make one for your car. And I've been wanting to get one of these for a long time now, but I haven't really gone out and grabbed one. And so I'm really happy that they sent one out for me to test. The SnapWireless car charger is really, really simple to use and set up. It just plugs into the cigarette lighter, as with majority of other electronic devices in the car, and it magnetically attaches to your device. Now in the box, you get a lot of different mounting options. You get the air vent clip, which should fit majority of cars, but if it doesn't, they also give you a nice 3M adhesive strip and attachments, so you can attach it to the dash of the car as well if that's something you want to do. In terms of design, you've got the logo in the middle, and you've got a nice soft rubber material over the magnet which attaches to your device, so you're not going to get any damages whatsoever. Some devices are going to attach without any modifications necessary, but I found with my iPhone 10, however, because I have a skin on it, the magnets just wasn't quite strong enough to hold it in an upright position, so they have a solution for that as well. So in the box with the wireless car charger, you are given a couple of these magnetic rings, and you can just stick these to the back of your device and it will attach like so. Really simple to use, and it is super secure. It's not going to fall off anytime soon, but it peels off super simple. And they also give you some protective sleeves, so if you don't want to stick the magnet to the back of your phone, you can just chuck this nice little plastic sleeve on there and works really well. It's really thoughtfully packaged. You get everything you need to get up and go. But it's not just that. If you're a case person, they also sell a SnapWireless case for your phone. All major phones are supported, and personally I'm not a case guy, but I have been using this case since I got it, to be honest, and this sort of bypasses the need to place a magnet on the back of your phone. I know there's a lot of information here, but this case has a magnet built into the center, so you can just clip it on like that. The case is made out of really nice durable plastic material, feels good in the hand. Best part about it is the buttons, although they're kind of plasticky, as they are ridiculously clicky. Like, I'm a fidgeter, and I don't know if you can hear that. I just click them all day long because like I said, I'm a fidgeter. Look, the case does a really good job of protecting your phone. It feels good in the hand. Like I said, I'm not a case guy, but that is another option for you if you want to just get an all-in-one solution. It just sticks on like that. Your phone is protected, it will wirelessly charge, and it is compatible with not just their wireless chargers, but other wireless chargers as well. And for all you iPhone 7 and 6 users out there, if your phone doesn't support wireless charging, they also sell a version of this case that will connect to your Lightning port and give you wireless charging, so it will function with all of these devices here. Now, I'm a pretty picky person when it comes to my devices, but I honestly have nothing bad to say about their wireless charging mats. I absolutely love. If I was to choose my favorite, it is this fabric one. I think it looks so good, and it's really modern. Of all the designs, like I said, I really like this sort of gray with the brown leather insignia on it. So if you want to check them out, there is a link to their website down below, along with a promo code that I'll have up on the screen here. You get yourself a little discount on their items, and they are priced really competitively with all other wireless chargers out in the market today. Now, like I said at the beginning of the video, if you want to get one of these wireless chargers for free, I'm doing a quick giveaway. Head to the second link down below to enter that giveaway. I'll announce the winner on Instagram. Follow me at the handle below in 10 days time. I reckon 10 days is enough. If you like this video, guys, drop a thumbs up down below. I'd love for you guys to subscribe to check out more tech-related videos. Head on over to Instagram, check out SnapWireless. They are making some really great products. And until the next video, guys, see ya.